Hey guys, what is happening? So yeah, this is just a really quick intro before the start of this video, because when I was editing it together I realised that I didn't have an intro done for it. So essentially this is just a video of me stripping down the engine of the L24, mixing up my words, stripping down the L24E engine, taking all the bolts off, all the brackets, manifolds, cylinder head. So yeah, look, there's not going to be me talking in the middle of this video. It's just basically going to be the process that I went by of stripping down the engine. The only thing that I will tell you is that when it came to bolting off the cylinder head, I didn't just take off the bolts any which way I wanted to. I started from the center and worked my way out, because that's what's recommended to do in the manual. So yeah, look, enjoy the video and hope you like it. So I'm actually finally making a bit of progress in stripping down the motor for this car. Now, it took forever to get the exhaust manifold and the inlet manifold off, because the bolts kind of hidden underneath everything, and it was just a nightmare to get them, but I've got them off now. And the next thing really for me to do is to get the timing chain off and get the cylinder head off this thing, and we'll see where we're going from there. It's starting to get a bit late and I'm starting to lose light, so just keep going for as long as I can. I don't think it's a good sign when you need to get a power bar in order to take the sun plug off. So yeah, that's the video of me stripping down the engine for the C32 Laurel. Nothing very fancy, just the process that I went by taking the engine apart. So look, I've got loads more videos to come. I'm really happy for all the extra subscribers that I've gained. I am really thankful. Thank you so much, guys. Loads more in the pipeline. So look, I'll hit that subscribe, like, share the page, and I'll chat to you soon.